Hello Crafty family, and welcome to another tutorial by She's So Crafty. For today's DIY project, we will be creating this beautiful Glam Valentine's decor for your home or front door. This project is part of a collaborative effort along with several other extremely talented YouTube crafters shown here. Make sure you check their Valentine's decor creations as well, and the link to the collab playlist will be in the description box below. I am so happy to share this tutorial with you, but before we start, I wanted to say welcome back to my current and my new subscribers to my channel. If you're a new visitor today to my channel and you love to create fun and easy DIY projects on a budget, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also click that notification bell below so you will be the first to know when a new DIY tutorial is ready to share with you. So now let's jump into the project. So to start off the project, I will need this heart-shaped wreath form and a piece of foam board. We want to go ahead and place down your protective mat and lay down your foam board. And then we're going to place our heart on top. Now I'm going to grab a pencil and I'm going to go ahead and trace that heart's outside and inside dimensions onto that foam board. Now with an Xacto knife, we want to carefully cut out the two heart shapes along the lines we just drew. Now to smooth down any jagged cuts, we just want to go ahead and cross them with a nail file. So now we want to grab a piece of poster board and we're going to trace and cut the same heart shapes out again. Okay, now we're going to take the poster board cutouts outside to be painted. And I will be using this Krylon Brilliant Silver Spray Paint. You want to make sure your poster board is shiny side up and apply one layer of that spray paint and let it dry. Now I'll be using this Star Tree topper that was sold at the Dollar Tree during Christmas. Go ahead and remove your packaging, then separate by starting to wedge a screwdriver in between them and pop them apart. Now this portion right here is the one you want to save. So I'm going to go ahead and take some wire snippers and cut each one of them out. So when you're done, you should end up with 10 pieces that look like this. So now we want to cover that raw foam edge of those heart shapes, so I'll be using this diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree. Now I'll only need a single strand of the diamonds, so what I'm going to do is I will cut my wrap into strips. So now you just want to take your glue gun and your foam heart and you want to start to apply that diamond wrap around the heart. You want to repeat this for both of the foam heart pieces. So now our poster board should be dry, and we're simply going to hot glue them on top of the foam board hearts. Now that that's in place, we can go ahead and take our star cutouts and start arranging them on our heart. And once they're in place, go ahead and hot glue those into place. Now with those remaining 3 pieces, we want to go ahead and apply them in a Y shape to the smaller heart. Now we're going to take some red roses and we're going to remove those flowers and a set of the leaves for each of them. Make sure you snip off that stem behind the flowers and we'll hot glue those leaves onto the back into place. So now we can take the flowers and hot glue them onto our hearts, just as shown here. So now I'm going to grab some wide ribbon and I'm going to use this to connect the 2 hearts. I want to go ahead and cut a small strip and I want to glue one end to the back of the small heart. And once that's in place, we're going to go ahead and attach it to the back of the large heart. And here they are, getting ready to be hung. And here is the final result. I am so in love with the way that this door hanging turned out, and that silver and red really makes this piece so eye-catching. I am really excited that I found a use for all those Christmas star tree toppers for this project. I think that they add that extra bit of glam that makes this piece so truly unique. And these sweet little roses, they add that little touch that makes this door hanging so special. And you can even personalize this project with a name or for gift giving if you like. Just make it your own. Listen, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. This lets me know that you're enjoying my videos and I can keep bringing you more projects. Thank you so much for visiting and checking out my tutorial. If you like videos like these and you don't want to miss the next one, make sure you're subscribed by clicking that subscribe button below and turning on that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.